I remember when Roe reminded me, the righteous shall live by faith. Ever since then, I've been living like it ain't never been a such thing as being faithless. And I know as long as I stay faithful, God will keep guiding me to where I need to be. And ain't no more running. Found out I couldn't hide from His hand. Grateful that none of my rivals can stifle His plan. And I ain't even got enemies.
Nothing beats a jet too hot, levee. 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 Nothing beats a jet too, nothing beats a jet too. I'ma give you something you can shake and you can work too. Nothing beats a jet.
This is the first king size bed. Nana is staying on this side. We have a flat screen TV. Water, of course. This is not free. Mirror. But the only con is I wish there was a full body mirror. Yeah, they only have it in like the lobby area. There's several in the lobby area. This is where I will be sleeping. And the thermostat is right here. Another TV. And just like the little window. I don't even know how to use this. This doesn't work. Oh, you see guys, I'm not used to this. So this is the view. Now I can look at the view. There's a mirror right here too, but
I can see it from here.
there's a dresser. Nana likes to unpack, so she'll be over here.
I was gonna put in the nice thing. I just don't want to be like bothering you.
You're good.
I mean, it's no view.
Huh?
It's no view.
That's how. Okay. I wish you want me to call it.
Yo, this shit really.
And there's also a door right here that just separates us, which is good. So like if you guys have like a big family or a big party, or you and your man are on vacation and you guys want two different areas, then you can. And it's going so slow. Golly. You brought it? Hi. Don't be Karen. You need to stop doing that. Cheers, babe. It's good.
It tastes like it's lemonade.
I was literally gonna say that, but I'm like, let me take it first. That is a nice looking brother.
Airport, bro. And there's so many of them.
No, we had to meet people. We had to make some friends.
He was so nice. I just looked at him. Well, I can't talk. He was showing me contemplate.
Oh, it's here. It's coming. Oh, we don't have money.
It's okay. God is good.
Come in here. The machine was broken. Let's see if the machine is broken this time or whatever. We just don't have the cash. You go first, because I don't even know what to say.
Hi. Sit down.
I'll be like, huh? Question mark? Oh, hey! Where he going? Over here like, hey. Of course he wouldn't stop there. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 2 of New Orleans. I switched from saying New Orleans and New Orleans. Potato, potato. Tomato, tomato. But yeah, so today we're going to, well, we're on our way to Bearcat. You guys will see the rest of our day later on. I will keep you guys updated. But last night, after we were on Bourbon Street for a little bit, came back, got ready for our night because we were tired. And tell me why I'm ready to go in the bed and I see like stains, like yellow stains on my sheet, and I continued looking. There's more stains, bigger stains, because I'm checking for bed bugs. So that's when I see the stains, and I was really shocked. So I called them and I was like, hey, can you guys bring new sheets to our room? And she was like, oh my god, I'm so sorry about that. She was very accommodating. Like, she was very nice. She was like, I'm really sorry about that. She was like, okay, I can have someone bring new sheets, or do you want a new room? And I was like, let's just get a new room, because you just never know. So I was like, yeah, let's just get a new room. And she was like, okay, we'll try to find one on the same floor, because we're staying on the 10th floor. That's the highest floor. It doesn't really make a difference because we don't even have like a view. It's the same view from the other room, so there's really no difference for real. But yeah, so we ended up switching to this new room which was like down the hallway. And yeah, I came and we checked the beds and it was perfectly fine. There were no stains. I woke up this morning after sleeping in the covers and I saw that there were small stains in the duvet. Called for new sheets. This sheets that they brought, same stains. So I'm like, I don't know what it is. I don't know. But that's not okay. But yeah, we're on our way to Bearcat, so stay tuned.
Y'all know what today's date is?
Friday 13th.
Left on Napoleon Avenue.
It sounded very good.
I find it so much easier to open my camera when I'm not in like the state I live in. Very true. I don't know why. Y'all need a few minutes to connect? Y'all ready? Can I get a short stack?
Yeah, just regular pancakes.
Yeah. Is there an option to get like eggs as a side? Okay, can I do that?
Yeah, how many eggs would you like?
I like two.
How do you want them cooked?
Scrambled. And is there an option to get like toast on the side? Okay, can I do that? But like not toasted, just like the bread.
Oh, just bread?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Alright, thank you.
Can I get the business salad? These biscuits are really, really good.
Shorty keeps spilling her drink. Why she just flip it? I didn't feel like it because I know I'm going to flip it back to myself.
And she got these potatoes, and
They look like fried Brussels sprouts.
yeah.
How is everything, y'all? It's good?
So we're here in the mall because Nana usually gets her Pandora charms. Like whenever she travels somewhere, she gets a new charm for her Pandora bracelet. So we are here doing that. It actually says that we're not permitted to walk around the mall Saturday, June 14th. So that is a question mark. That's weird, but we'll see. Can I see your Louisiana charm? You don't have any.
Are you for real?
Oh my
We
God.
don't get any.
That's so interesting. You know why?
The company just does not send those to us. I think a place down in the French Quarter called Bungalows may have a few. Bungalows, but we don't have any.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you can always say what's on your mind. Are you on your way home? I warm up your plate when you arrive. And you go take off your shoes, hop while you can. Tough for you, don't have to, but I love to do.
You know why? Give me some of that. Let's go,
Bartender, I pour a drink, I'm moving on. Entertain, I'm down to do the little things.
Come on, give me some of that.
Just wanna take some time to thank you.
Give me some of that.
And let you know just how you make me proud. It's time to make up for the bad ones.
Give me some of that.
I see you trying and I don't know how. Keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing. When our schedules aren't aligning, that's a sign that it's okay.
Okay, so I just got this voodoo hurricane that has passion fruit, dark rum, and cherries mixed with tequila, agave, and lemon or something. I don't really like it because the dark rum, you can taste the dark rum and the cherries, and I'm not a big fan. But I'm gonna switch it back because she's gonna make me a new one if I don't like it. And she said she called mine Friday the 13th, but I'm like, I don't want the bastard back up with it, okay? So I'm gonna ask her to make me a new one, and we're gonna go outside and look at the views because it's so beautiful. Today is just a beautiful day. We're so blessed. Oh, you want to walk through the memorial?
Swing so subtle and she passes each other, she passes go. Yeah, baby. What I do, how I watched her so sadly.
You watching me? Thank you. Yeah. Ready? You have to go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're right. Okay. Can I see that? What? The video? Can I get unsolicited advice? Clear phone on low power. Because her phone was dying yesterday. It was. Okay, ready? This is a funnel cake. This is fried duck. Funnel cake is completely different. You would love like fried duck. It's good though. Nana. Wait, are these people? That's why I freaked out. Cause they be doing that. The place is really nice. I don't know where people have it though, but it's like a lot of. To the front of the back. So that's gonna say New Orleans, and the water meter is just all around the floor when you walk around here in New Orleans. Then we're gonna have our cathedral just past the Jackson Square. It's gonna have a pretty. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
LOL.
Yeah, actually. Well, we had some stuff that was like
than 20 years old. Endurance offers auto protection on the drivetrain, AC, and more. Act now and get one whole year.
Can't even see it. I have bug spray. You should tell me. It wasn't my album.
And we're about to be in the swamp too.
I put on bug spray. You should tell me.
I didn't peep until just now, seriously. I wasn't even scratching either.
All of Josh's fault.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So last night I didn't get to talk to you guys because my camera died, but we didn't end up doing anything after one tomorrow's. Tomorrow's was really good. I like my fried chicken, so my fried chicken was good. I'm not gonna say too much about the mac and cheese and the braised cabbage and the rice, even though I ate the rice. It wasn't like the best rice ever.
The service was good.
The service was good. So how would you rate the service? Okay, she's gonna be on the phone for a little bit, but I think the service was good. A lot of people would talk about how the service isn't good. The waiters are really rude, but I feel like every waitress or waiter that we interacted with, like, they're very kind. The manager was also really kind as well. So the manager, I think his name was Laverne. When you go, be like, can I have Laverne? Like, can I meet Laverne? Because he's really cool. He's gonna come up to you regardless. Like, even if you don't ask for him, he's gonna come up to you. Yeah. He was a nice looking man. He was a nice looking. I think his demeanor made him more attractive. Yeah. His demeanor definitely made him more attractive for sure.
And you should go see Marlon. Marlon had good customer service. And he has that big cat.
Yeah, Nana's camera was in both of their faces, but they didn't say no. Like, they were real cool about it. Even the security in the front, he plays way too much.
I'm standing in front of him because he said we couldn't go inside. We have to wait to be like inside. And he gonna be like, what you waiting for? And like, wanting to be like inside.
You know, he did that with the other woman too.
It's so annoying. Like, he needs a lid. His memory is not the best.
He's just out there to vibe, no cap.
And the mosquitoes were biting him up, taking his memory with it.
I honestly didn't know. I didn't realize I was getting bit last night. That's crazy. But yeah, I think the fried chicken was like, it was like regular fried chicken. It was really, really good. But honestly, I was thinking about it. Houston is like way better than New Orleans.
But even Chicago, I think there's
I haven't been to Chicago, so when I go, I'll definitely be the judge of that.
Like, I've been thinking about it all day today. I'm like, damn, I haven't had anything that's like, ooh.
Like good.
Yeah, but I'm excited to go to Chicago. See what I'm talking about.
Yeah, but Houston, I think Houston is beating New Orleans. I'm not gonna cap. I'm sorry. I said it. But yeah, right now we're on our way to the swamp tour. It's like a zip line swamp tour, so we'll see what that's about.
5-year-old at your home. One of my coworkers' sister, she comes out here and does everything together.
I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm agitated. I don't think this is something that you'll do here. It's 95%. I'm not happy.
Dress it up and make it real for me.
If y'all turn around and look out that way, that is Lake Pontchartrain. It's the largest and deepest lake in the state of Louisiana. This deepest part's about 65 feet deep.
How was it?
It was cool.
Dirty money in the cook. 45 by my good. My young nigga in the cook. Take you out for some joints. Count the spot, no rush. I'm on a one-way flush. Loud patch smelling mud. These fucking police can't touch me. Fucking police can't touch me. Fucking nigga can't touch me.
You do YouTube? I do. It's minaxmonae, my name. All right. I'll be waiting. See ya.
Got a roll pound up a gas. Put your names in the Grand Rapids. We're the one that kept it cool with all the niggas till you niggas start acting.
Strip. Yeah, it was hurting in every part of my body, and I mean every part.
Okay, so I had the option to upload one of my pictures, and I could win one of these. I landed on ice cream. You know what? I'm just gonna get the ice cream for the heck of it. Ooh.
Alright, time to go home. Oh wow.
This is what I got.
It's no.
See, there you go.
You know what? I'll just take the water.
You can take a sticker. That's it. They talk for every video.
Your charm.
Let's go, black.
On the next block, draw your attention to the right. You guys are going to see the New Orleans civil rights. I'm going to point out some famous figures.
The girl's looking because she. We tried this yesterday, right? I didn't want one. I'm practicing self-control by only eating one. Again. So we are back from the tour. How would you rate the tour? It's like every time it's time to talk to my camera, somebody calling, like she's on the phone with someone. But the tour was really good. It was very informative. I love learning history. Like, I hated history class, but I love learning history that's like interesting to me. And for me, this whole trip was like very interesting because my people came and built, I want to say built, but my people came and really like settled here in New Orleans. Yeah, like they really took our culture and brought it to the States, and it started off in New Orleans. So I love that. They came over, he said like 1803, but yeah, like it was really nice just to learn about that. And I like learning about like just like Black people and our history and just the stuff we did for America. Okay. But yeah, it was very educational. I liked it. I would do one again that's more hop on, hop off. But good thing this one wasn't too hop on, hop off because it was raining.
You should go on the hop on, hop off.
Huh?
There's this tour in New Orleans called Hop On, Hop Off. That's the double-decker one.
Yeah, but good thing I did that because it was raining. And I want to know more about Black history.
I would feel like some of the stuff they say, they lying.
They're lying?
Yeah.
Honestly, like, I don't know. I feel like his was kind of, it was good, but I don't know how accurate.
And what I don't like about tours like that, like, I like this tour. It was very informative.
Yeah.
But they get to talk about themselves, and that's when they lose me. Like, come on. Just, like,
he went overboard a little bit when it was time to talk
both of his
about
grandparents
himself.
criminals on
Like,
the different sides.
That's
His
too
mama
much,
and his dad's
sir.
side.
Too much, sir. Too TMI. You gotta keep it TP. Too personal, okay?
And I can tell you what they did too. There's no reason why I should.
But yeah, like I like learning about Black history and what Haitians did. We're literally down the street from French Quarter, so we're supposed to get dropped off at French Quarter, but I didn't know that he was gonna do 2 stops, and we're staying near the Marriott, like literally 7-minute walk from the Marriott to the Courtyard Marriott. So I'm like, let's just walk, because I forgot about the souvenirs. We ended up not finding any souvenirs again on Canal Street. So we're back at French Quarter. I'm very tired though. Like, I was eager to get in the bed and take a nap. And honestly, it is 6:17. I don't think I'm gonna be taking a nap because we have dinner reservations at 9. But yeah, I am. I cannot fall asleep that quick, unfortunately. And I'm a light sleeper, so I feel like people are making noise. Like, you know, last night I had to call the front desk.
Oh, they're probably lit.
And I just heard like the TV next to me that was connected to our room. The TV was just so loud. I couldn't hear like every single word, but just the fact that I can hear the voices, I said, tell those people to put the TV down, and they did. So I didn't end up falling asleep until 1 o'clock. So I need to be silent. But yeah, I am very, very tired, but it's okay. Last night in New Orleans, gotta do what you gotta do, push through. So let's go shopping for some souvenirs. Nana's about to go ask the officer where's the cheapest place to get.
Diamond Store, Ramsey's Diamond Jewelers, on veterans between Bonneville and West End and Metairie.
You don't have shot glasses?
How do you spot the all-new Songbird Rocker? Here's a hint. It's never house set on the mountain, attacking regular traffic, and never backing down for any adventure.
This is fine, but it's not a shot glass. This is for like whiskey. Clearly I don't know what I'm, but I like this. I like this, no cap.
Together to repair extreme damage, replenishes nutrients, and repairs weak inner hair bond without the
The St. Signed veteran running back Cam Akers to a one-year deal following a tryout at minicamp earlier this week. The NASCAR Cup Series heads to Mexico City tomorrow for the Viva Mexico 2.
So let me quickly, I'm gonna unbutton this because this is crazy actually. Guys, remember I wore this in Miami and I brought it to the dry cleaners this past Thursday, 2 days before my trip. You guys remember that? Because, well, if you guys go on my TikTok, you guys will see me going to the dry cleaners, dropping it off and picking it up. So why not even a month later it doesn't fit? Like, they definitely shrunk my thing. I can't remember if I wore a bra in Miami, but I'm gonna go back to my pictures and see, because this shirt was not tight at all. This shirt was baggy on me, you guys remember. But anyways, let me show you guys what I got. I'm getting ready to go to dinner at Sunshine, so you guys will be charging while I'm gonna get ready, so sorry about that. I'm gonna be recording on my phone, so I may insert clips here, but if you guys don't end up seeing the clips, just go to my TikTok. But I got this keychain for myself. Focus. Okay, so this says, oh, it's backwards for you guys. Oh, it was upside down. This says Bourbon Street, and this one says French Quarter. Then I got this that says New Orleans. I kept saying New Orleans, and you guys, some people say New Orleans, and the person today at the Zipnola, she's like, what's New Orleans? People say that just to make New Orleans seem cool and all, but it's really New Orleans. So I'm like, okay, sister. So now I'm gonna try to say New Orleans, but I got this with my sister's name on it. And I did end up getting the shot glass that I wanted, that I was thinking of getting. I need to learn how to focus this, because you guys used to focus very well beforehand, and I don't know what happened. Can you guys see? Is it because there's no light or what? Anyways, it says New Orleans 1718. And then I got this shirt for my mom or dad. They're both gray. Gray's my favorite color. I didn't even peep that I got gray. For real. And I got this for, I think I got this for my mom and the other one for my dad. But yeah, I was gonna get my sister a shirt too, because she likes shirts, but I didn't even realize that they had kids shirts until after. And I was like, yeah, sorry girl. But yeah, that's what I got. So right now I'm gonna go get ready for dinner, and I'll see you guys after.
Fuck on the basis, bitch. We gon' wake up and smoke up some blunt and fuck. She gon' keep it so real with a nigga that I'ma come back and always gon' fuck with her. Then the curve and the spray like a motor bus. I was working and serving in Nautica. I get high till I'm higher than Mercury. Fuck around, teach you that recipe. Fuck around, you gon' be out of here. Make it say hum like a nigga with groovin'. Soon as that work hit the city, we movin'. Pumped up in honest and shoot us a movie. Pumped up in honest and shoot us a movie.
So this is the OOTN outfit of the night. I have Nana's gift right here. Wearing heels from Aldo, back from Coach, fit from Shein, face by Dot and my mama. Thank you. Huh? My stuff. Like, I need to carry my stuff for the night.
What is in the bag?
My stuff.
Okay, guys. This dress is from Forever 21.
It was what time? Because all her outfits were giving Forever 21.
What are you talking about?
It's time to give grown.
This is from Forever 21. And
you know what I mean. You know what I mean, guys.
This is Nordstrom Rack. Yeah. This is shoes.
Shoes.
Nordstrom Rack. She is.
All right.
I was classy.
No one cares about a sweater she always owned it. No one cares. Yeah, much better. Clean this? You. Shh, go back. Guys, one thing about it, you would think if you have a reservation, you would go inside. No. So even with the reservation, we're over here waiting an additional 30 minutes. Mind you guys didn't see it, but we were literally like running, like trooping, like trying to make this reservation on time, and we did not. So now she's like, oh yeah, we're running behind, so it's gonna be a 30-minute wait. I'll text you guys, mad casually. No sorry, no apology, nothing. That's not normal. New Orleans needs to get it together. When she's like, the security's trying hard.
He is such a nice
He's
guy.
trying. He's really nice. But I think Nana's saying that we're food critics. That's how you get the good customer service when you traveling. Just say you're a food critic and you viral.
She just can't stop laughing. She been giggling since she been in here. Let me tell you, stop it now.
It's awful. I'm tired of you chicken pork. I don't want chicken out there.
Check out some videos.
And what else for here? About those.
Yeah.
They made it anyway. They made it anyway.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good.
Are y'all the fishing crew?
Yeah, the Bagobi and the ramen to go.
She got to get on the news, so we don't step aside. She got to get on CNN with her food. Remember us.
I will, most definitely.
We liked you for you before you were famous.
Okay, Nana. So, you know, the whole point of the trip was to celebrate our friendship.
She got me good. It's so
Okay. Wait, no, this is too much. We don't need no witnesses. It's just funny. You know, you have to different things. So if you don't like it, so the story behind this is you don't want to the mall to look for one for you, but you didn't buy it. So I'm like, this would be an alternative. Yeah, it's just you know, I don't like attention. Where are you all from? I'm Massachusetts. Hey guys, so it is 12:51 right now. I'm already ready for the night. Unfortunately, I didn't get to go towards the corridor and around Bourbon at this time. I really wanted to see a jazz club before I left, but I'm just gonna have to wait until next time I come to Louisiana, New Orleans. I feel like there's still a lot more that I want to learn about and explore, and I want to experience like the nightlife. Like, yeah, I know we went out to Bourbon Thursday night and that was like around 9-10, but when we were coming back from the restaurant, it was like 11:50ish, 11:45ish, and there were mad people outside. Like, I was like excited to go back out, but yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait. I see mad people. I see these people, 5 men. I said, yeah, you're gonna catch me outside. Did they catch me outside? No, they didn't. But now, next time, for real, next time I come to New Orleans, I want to eat more like soul food, so like mom and pop shops. And I definitely have to have the ghetto version of New Orleans for a fact. Like, I want to be outside.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake.
Oh, you thought I was going home? I thought the same thing too, girl. But we're here. We are at Jam Nola. I think it's a museum, but we'll see. Yeah, so this is where you'll see the art of New Orleans. But yeah, I'm here. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, and I wanted to go to Little Dizzy's. Little Dizzy's is like 4 or 5 minutes away from here, but they are closed. Oh my god, Loretta's is literally right across the street. And this is where I always wanted to try the beignets. Oh my god. Yeah, I haven't eaten yet. Honestly, I was ready to go home. Hopefully it's a good time. You know, last little piece for Jam Nola. Loretta's is right here, so maybe after we can try it, but I want some like real food. So yeah.
Look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over, even when you're gone. That feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on below. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over, even when you're gone. The feeling just grows crowd, even nowhere to be found as they seem alone. I say, you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate, I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rave, you wanna go out on dates, you want.
I remember when Roe reminded me, the righteous shall live by faith. Ever since then, I've been living like it ain't never been a such thing as being faithless. And I know as long as I stay faithful, God will keep guiding me to where I need to be. And ain't no more running. Found out I couldn't hide from his hand.